If Do Not Disturb keeps turning on automatically on your Windows PC, here's the fix. A lot of people found that Windows quietly enables DND because of a rule they forgot about. Open Settings and go to System, then Notifications. Expand the automatic section and turn off everything. Things like during these times, when playing a game, when using an app in full screen, all of that. Once you turn them all off, restart your PC and check if the toggle stays off. For many users, this was the only fix they needed. Next, we will disable the Focus mode. Windows has a Focus mode inside the Clock app, and it turns on Do Not Disturb the moment a session starts. A lot of people did not even know they had one running. Open Settings and go to System, then Focus. If a session is running, stop it. Then turn off any setting that says it will enable Do Not Disturb when a session starts. Once you do this, the DND toggle stops flipping back on by itself. If the last two solutions didn't work, try turning off Game Mode. As surprising as it may sound, many users got results by turning off Game Mode entirely. To do that, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Game Mode, and disable the toggle for it. Once done, restart the PC and check for improvements. Next up, we will check the task scheduler for any tasks that are triggering DND on Windows. This solution has actually solved the problem for many people. Press the Windows key, search for Task Scheduler, and open the utility. Now, look under the Microsoft and Windows folders for any task related to quiet hours, focus, or notifications. Sometimes a third-party app or an old script creates a task that keeps enabling DND repeatedly. If you find one, disable it and restart the PC and then check for improvements. If nothing has worked so far, another solid fix is using the Group Policy Editor, which basically forces Windows to keep Do Not Disturb turned off. If you're on Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise, this works really well. For Windows 11 Home users, you will need to manually install GPEDIT. The tutorial for it should appear near the top right corner, somewhere around here. If it doesn't show up, check the video's description. Once you are all set, just press Windows plus R to open the Run box, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. Now expand Administrative Templates under User Configuration, then go to Start Menu and Taskbar, and head into the Notifications section. You'll see a policy called Turn Off Quiet Time. Open that, switch it to Enabled, and apply the change. After that, simply restart your PC so Windows picks up the change and check for improvements. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.